This is not a one technology fix-all thing. Tonight we were going over AI for filmmaking and marketing. It was a really broad topic, but the bottom line was AI can accelerate your opportunity to market your business. Small, and I'd say small medium businesses struggle with marketing one way or another. First of all, the concepts for many businesses are new, and the desire is to do something that is noteworthy and will be seen by an audience, but that can be hard to muster up. But AI unlocks new opportunities, new creative, new levels of production value.
I think it's important to any small business. It saves on the bottom line. So if you don't have to go out and pay for those expenses to hire an entire team, and it's something that you can do yourself, that should definitely help increase your bottom line.
I find a lot of that stuff helpful. I use AI now to help create content ideas for me. And so that really helped, step up a little bit my game as far as like different tools that I can use.
I love NEC. I love what it stands for. So I love, anything that involves entrepreneurship, networking with fellow business owners and entrepreneurs.
So ideas were flowing tonight. That's a good thing, and businesses deserve to thrive.